Okay, to change battery, this is what you do. Okay, unscrew this guy. Oh, this is a lock. Sorry, there's a lock here. So you take out this guy, the ring. Sorry, 老灰 cannot see clearly. Okay. Okay, now you take out. Okay, so now this guy is open. So this guy can take out. Remove this. You got this, yeah. So now to take the battery out, first thing you can unlock and take out the key. Seriously, I don't know the key is for what because I can't find any keyhole in the car to start the engine. So basically the key can only help you open the door, okay, which is quite a useless design. And then you try to pry open this guy. Pry open this guy, okay. Okay, I pause for a while. Okay, I went away to get a brand new CR2032 battery. Okay, so 32 basically is the height, 3.2 millimeters. Okay, 3 volt. Okay, just leave it aside first, and I also pry open the cover already. All you need is to remove this battery. Okay, sometimes that cover will just drop out there. Because I need to look at the screen and I need to look at this. A bit sometimes difficult to get this thing out. So let me pause also. Okay, so this one I just need to put it back nicely. It fits nicely, okay? Fits nicely. So you wouldn't get the wrong direction. Same thing for this. This over here. This will be here. So you can test the battery, the button, the button. So after you put it back, just test the button. Okay. There's a light, yeah. So the button is not good here, yeah. Open. Fix it.